I'm Lauren, and today I'm here to talk to you about a brand new item from KeriKit for the fall, autumn, winter line. It is the Sold Separately Gretchen strap. This Gretchen strap is in the color mink, and you can use this strap to accessorize any of your bags. You can use it to clip onto any of your smaller bags, such as the midi size amber, or to use as a grab handle, or even your full-size amber, or maybe a midi joy. You can also put it on any of your Lennoxes if you feel that you need a longer strap, or you can also put it on your Greta to make it a cute shoulder bag. So, and a lot of people were wondering about the different sizes between the new Gretchen strap and the current sizes of the Lennox straps, and I have all three of them here to show you today. So this is the size of the new Gretchen strap. Here is the strap for my full-size Lennox, and I will show you here the different sizes. It is actually smaller, or shorter I should say, and then this is the strap to the midi-size Lennox, so that is even shorter still. So if you would want a longer strap for any of your Lennoxes, the Gretchen strap is a great way to go. Make your kit your way with the new Sold Separately Gretchen strap from KeriKit.